Hi fams, how are you all doing? In today's video, I will show you how to make moi moi with fish and egg. This classic Nigerian moi moi recipe is packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. So we start by peeling off the skin from the beans. As you can see, I've already added water to the beans and squeezing them with my two hands to remove the skin from the beans. And after peeling the skin, add more water to it. Separate the skin from the beans with the help of a strainer. Drain the water into the strainer. In this way, the skin gradually separates from the beans. Add the water to the beans once again. Repeat this process until all the skin completely separates from the beans. And after separating the skin from the beans and it becomes clean, this is how it looks like. And next we proceed to blend our washed beans. So I transferred some of it into a blender. I added some scotch bonnet pepper and also some cayenne pepper. I also went in with some diced onions and the fish that I seasoned behind the camera. Add some water, cover and blend smoothly. And after blending and it becomes smooth, transfer into a bowl. And now that we have our blended beans in the mixing bowl, I will be adding the other ingredients. I start by adding salt to it, some seasoning cube, crayfish powder, some pieces of seasoned fish, some carrot cubes, curry powder, and lastly, vegetable oil. And after adding all these ingredients, we mix together for about 3 to 5 minutes. Please do not skip this process of mixing because it helps the moi moi to come out very beautiful. So ensure to mix very well so that all the ingredients can be well combined. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And after mixing it together and it is well combined, I will be transferring it into a foil paper. So here I have some foil paper that I've already cleaned behind the camera. And next, I'll scoop the moi moi paste into the foil paper. And after scooping some of it into the foil paper, place egg on it and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. And after adding them to the foil paper and placing egg on them, next I will be covering them gently. I also cover tightly so that they don't pour off. And after covering them and make sure they are well sealed, I'll be transferring them into a steaming pot. So I start by adding water to the steaming pot. Place the moi moi on it, cover and take to the heat and steam for about 40 to 50 minutes. You can also use any pot of your choice, provided you underlay it with either some sticks or leaf so that the moi moi doesn't get burnt easily. And after 45 minutes of cooking, here we have our moi moi ready. Wow, the aroma is something else. I'll just go ahead and open one of them. I know this is going to taste so delicious. And here we have our classic Nigerian moi moi. Moi moi can be enjoyed in several ways. I'll be glad to know what you take your moi moi with in my comment section. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.